Do you ever wonder how much space junk is floating around above us? Well, so does Odin Space, a UK startup that says it has developed in-orbit impact detectors that can detect space junk as small as 0.1 millimeters in size, which can affect or do harm to satellites flying in the same orbit. By utilizing panels which are hosted on other companies' spacecraft or satellites, Odin's technology can determine the size of the debris and the speed at which it is traveling. CEO Dr. James New explains how it works.
We fly panels similar to this. They sit on the outside of satellites, and then as debris strikes these panels and passes through them, and then we have these sensors on the corners of these frames that listen to those vibrations, and then we look at that data and we can analyze that data to tell you how big the piece of debris was, how fast it's traveling, what direction it's traveling in, and we do all that from those signals, from those acoustic signals.
While Odin's system may not reduce the amount of space junk flying around in space, it may reduce the number of impacts and collisions which can cause more junk. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you track every space launch.